Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the polymarket.com website. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so in order to use polymarket.com, we need to open up a web browser and head on over to their site. Now, once we're here, we need to go ahead and sign into our account or create an account by clicking on the top right hand corner. Now, I'm just going to log out of my account. Now, we've got the option here to log in or sign up. So if you want to sign up, go ahead and click on sign up. We can continue with our Google account or your email account, or we can log in with any of these as well below here. So you can use your crypto wallet to log in as well. So I'm just going to continue with my Google account. So basically, Polymarket is a decentralized prediction market platform. You trade outcome shares. Usually it's a yes or no for future events. Each share price reflects the market's collective probability of the outcome. Now, if the outcome you bet on happens, winning shares pay $1 USDC, losing shares become worthless, and these markets run 24/7 and are settled when the event concludes via decentralized oracles. Now, before we start betting on these outcomes, we need to go ahead and deposit money. So you can see I've got no deposit money button here. So that's because I'm outside of where I can actually use Polymarket. I can view it, but I can't deposit and make bets. So there are ways around it. So if you think outside the box, you're going to get this little deposit button. So I'm just going to pause this video and get back to you once I've done that. Okay, so now you can see I've got a deposit button. So we need to go ahead and fund our account. So go ahead and click on deposit, and now it's going to show you your Polymarket balance. And we've got a few different options how we can deposit money. So once this loads, so we've got a few different options. So we got to transfer crypto. So this is no limit. So you can deposit as much money as you want, and it's instant. You can deposit with a card, and I think this is a $50,000 limit with a 5-minute delay there. We got connect exchange, no limit. So you can connect any of those exchanges here, and we can deposit with PayPal up to 10,000 with a 5-minute delay to those funds to hit your account. Now, once you've put your money inside of your account, you're going to see your portfolio and cash reflect the money that you've just added in. So this is just lagging at the moment, so I'm just going to refresh this page. So from here we can go ahead and search inside of Polymarket if there's a specific event or game or whatever you want to bet on. Go ahead and you can search it. We can look at the trending markets here. We can go to breaking, new, and they've got all these different type of categories too. So we got politics, sports, crypto, finance, etc., etc. And below that, we've even got more. So in the trending, we've got Trump, Iran, Greenland, Venezuela, etc. We can go ahead and scroll. Now we've got filters here too. So we can go ahead and click on filters. We can sort by 24-hour volume, total volume, liquidity, newest, etc. We've got frequency, daily, weekly, monthly, and more tabs we can help filter out to find a market to bet on. Now, if you like any one of these market, so say for example we want to bet on Elon Musk number of tweets between January the 8th and January the 10th 2026. So if he's going to do 115, 139, you can go ahead and click on yes or no. And likewise, they've got another market here from 140, 164. So if you want to bet on any of that stuff, I don't think he's going to get over 140 tweets in those 2 days. That's a lot of tweets, by the way. I'm going to go ahead and click on to no. And like I said, we can go ahead and deposit here, click on deposit, put in money, and we can choose the amount you'd like to bet on. So you can bet as much as you'd like on that market. So what I'll do, if you're what I would suggest if you're new to Polymarket, I'll just bet small at the start just so you get a good grip of how to use it, and then just slowly increase your bets and treat it like gambling. You're at the slots machine or casino. You're not guaranteed to win, but there is a chance you can, and only bet with the money that you afford to lose. Now, when an event ends, if your outcome was correct, each winning share becomes $1 USDC. If you lose, shares become 0. And also the platform handles settlements automatically. So unlike other sites similar to this, you might need to wait a few days or a few weeks, depending